1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kato here, or Caitlin, depending on where you know me from. And we're back again. And my last time, which was like 4 months ago, I came back and I was like, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do my YouTube videos. I said I deleted all these videos. I didn't delete shit. 4 months later, I'm coming back. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make content. I've just reached 8K on TikTok, which is incredible. So I'm hoping I can do it on YouTube too. So to start off this new wonderful world on my channel, I will be doing a January favorite. So make sure you're subscribed, because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make content, and make sure to like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. Yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so these are my first two things. They're both from the Body Shop. One is a ginger anti-dandruff shampoo. I've heard raving reviews about this. And then my all-time favorite, it's coming in the January favorites because it's the first one, pink grapefruit shower gel. It smells divine. I mean, both of them smell divine. This, I'm just gonna let you smell it. Can you smell it? You can smell it, right? This one, however, I've just started using. I've been using it for like 2 weeks now. Yeah, I really like it. My hair feels so much more cleaner, and it feels like it gets rid of everything, which is nice. Next up from the Body Shop is this cool little brush, this wooden brush with some bristles on it. It's a body scrub, so you can just hold it and scrub your arm or wherever else. I really like this. I do it before a shower, and then I use what I just showed you, and then I go in with like a body lotion or anything. This is really nice. It looks like that. Okay, next up was a new purchase, which is quite new to me. I usually just use like cotton pads for taking off makeup or putting on toner or whatever. Found this brand on Amazon called Luxureal, I think that's what it's called. But it's all like eco-friendly products that they do, and they do reusable makeup remover pads, and you get 20 of them. They're bamboo charcoal cotton, and I really like them. I've been using them for about a week now, and they take off makeup really well. Here's what they look like. They're just so ridiculously soft, and they're really big, so they take off all your makeup in one wipe, which is really nice. And they come with a little bag, a little tote bag thing, and they all fit in here, all 20 of them, and you can put that in your washing machine and wash them and dry them in that little bag. So this was really nice. So next up is something that it's sort of been a love-hate relationship, but it's making its way to the January favorites. So Primrose Oil, it looks like this. It's from Revolution, and it's night oil. And I've heard some like love-hate about evening primrose oil. Some people don't like it, some people swear by it, especially for acne. But I put this on at night. I used to not put it on like every day, but I've started to, and every time I wake up the next morning, my skin is super smooth. The only downfall about that is it has like a quite strong fragrance. So if your skin's really sensitive to fragrance, I would avoid this product, but it just softens your skin. It can also help with scarring with acne. I don't have any acne, but I've heard that's what it can do. It helps with dryness as well. Same thing as smoothness. And it was from Beauty Bay Revolution. So yeah, this one is by NYX or NYX. I don't know how you pronounce that. You'll learn to find that about me. I don't know how to pronounce many things. I use this every night, lip conditioner. It's got hemp oil in it, and it leaves my lips so nourished and so nice. It's in the shade Sheer Leaf. It's got like quite a green hint to it, as you can see, but like when it comes on the lips, it's completely clear. So I don't know how that works. Next up, I use this every day. It's Get It Bright All-in-One Brightening Pencil by C.Y.O. I've never used this brand before, but actually I was really liking it, and it's in the shade Fair Medium. It's just a little eye pencil thing, as you can see. And it comes with a little sharpener at the end of it, which is nice. And you can push it up at the bottom, and I just put it like underneath on my waterline, and it really brightens my eyes, which is really nice. These were actually a present. They're the GHDs in gold professional stylers straighteners. They look like that. These are a lifesaver. I've been looking for really good straighteners for ages, and my mum got me a pair. They say they're gold, but to me they look iridescent. Iridescent. They come with a nice little heat protecting grey bag, and they look like this. Yeah, and I really like them. I don't know how to talk about hair. What are you meant to say about hair straighteners? Like, everyone knows what they do. They straighten your hair. But you know, hey ho. If that's any use to anyone, sure. Okay, so I'm currently using this product right now, but I got these off Amazon. I was looking for a ring light. I have a light anyway, an LED light, but I hate the way it works, so I got a new one. And this is also one that you can take out on like vlogging for your cameras. For your phone cameras, sorry. I'm currently using it now, but it's like on its own. It's not with anything because I'm filming on my camera right now. This is by Mpow. It's a selfie ring light with tripod stand, and it bends and everything, so you can put it into your bags and whatnot. I love this so much. I've been doing my TikToks on this, and I'm currently using it right now. It's really nice. It comes in its own little bag. You charge it by just like an iPhone charger. So I take that with me whenever I do photos for Instagram or my TikToks. This is a lifesaver. This is orange by TIJN. I don't know if this is backwards. I don't think it is. Reliable screen glasses. They protect your eyes from harmful blue light. And yeah, they look like this. Really nice. They suit my face really well, and they do really block out harmful blue light. I used to get really bad headaches, and now rarely, which is really good. See? With like a brown marble effect, but yeah, they're really nice and they're really reliable as well, like they say. So yeah, I take these everywhere. I always wear them. And these were from Amazon as well. I got a lot from Amazon just because it's Amazon. So I have been living in this purple oversized jumper. It's from Bershka. I love it so much. Bershka's a great brand, you guys. I will do a little like other video too, but it's just real big, real comfy. Again, from Bershka is this big teddy bear black coat. You probably can't see it in this light, so I will do another video. So ridiculously furry and so comfortable. It's cropped as well. It has a little zip and some toggles to tighten the hood, and yeah, it's so soft and so warm. So that was from Bershka. I got this pink blazer and from Pretty Little Thing. It's got some buttons down it. I really wanted like the gingham blazer they have, but it was sold out, so I had to get the pink one, and I'm not complaining. It makes me feel like a boss bitch, won't lie to you. And if you want to make it fancy, put some heels with it, girl. And yeah, I really like this one. And I think pink suits me very well, if I say so myself. So yeah, that's been really nice. Oh my god, and I almost forgot. I can't like really show you well, but I got a Google Home Mini. She's been my best friend through this lockdown, I won't lie to you. I have been writing a lot, and so whenever I get like stuck on a word, I'm just like, hey Google. But yeah, she's been helping me lots with figuring out what things mean and playing music and stuff like that. So that was great. I got that in the colour charcoal. Oh, look how cool it looks when you move it. I would just like to point out, here's the LED light. It's great. So anyway, that was the end to that video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll be back in the next video, which will be soon. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna happen. So if you guys could subscribe and like this video, that would be fantastic. And I will see you guys in the next video. video. Bye.